At the forefront based in the Eastern Pacific Seaboard is the Cayetano Anes State University, one of the distinguished state university in the region. Driven by the firm resolve in upholding the tradition of excellence through a united front of consistent spirit, and offers a wide range of programs including bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees, with a focus on research and community engagement.
Catanduanes State University have a 9 department or colleges with other program which includes College of Science, College of Health and Sciences, College of Education, College of Engineering and Architecture, College of Business and Accountancy, College of Agriculture, College of Humanities and Social Sciences, College of Information and Communication Technology, College of Industrial Technology.
What is BS Biology program?
A BS Biology course is a 4-year program that provides in-depth knowledge and practical skills in life sciences, encompassing core subjects like botany, zoology, genetics, and ecology, with opportunities for specializations in areas like microbiology.
This bio course offers a strong foundation for diverse career paths, from research and healthcare to environmental conservation, and provides valuable skills like scientific inquiry and providing solving, making it a compelling choice for those interested in understanding and impacting the natural world.
Studying biology is beneficial because it fosters a deeper understanding of life, our bodies, and the natural world, while also providing valuable skills for various careers, including healthcare, research, and environmental conservation.
Why do I choose to study biology? Biological science is literally everywhere and everywhere. As a living being, you are part of biology. So if you want to know how a human body functions, as well as every other living organism, biology is how you find out. It is the best and truest way to understand the world around you.
Why is it good to take biology?
Knowledge of biology is crucial for everyone's life as it helps us understand our bodies,
Make informed health decisions.
to know about the environment we share.
It plays a vital role in medical advancement.
Environment, evolution, genetics, and other accountable.
All incoming freshies, don't hesitate to choose your biology program. Sa Bio Ayos.